You won't believe how many people assume a deactivated X account is lost forever. But here's the surprising truth. After 30 days, reactivation is automatic, but there's still a way to recover your account. First, log in using your original username or email. If the account is beyond the standard 30-day grace period, X usually marks it for permanent deletion, but occasionally, the account may still be recoverable if you contact support immediately. Next, go to Access Help Center and submit a request under Reactivate Deactivated Account. Include your username, email, and proof of identity if possible. This can include linked phone numbers or email verification screenshots. Most people get this wrong by assuming support will automatically restore the account. They need clear proof you're the account owner. Once submitted, it can take several days for X to respond. They may allow you to restore the account or suggest creating a new account if the old one has been permanently deleted. A tip: enable two-factor authentication and link a verified phone number or email once the account is restored. This helps prevent accidental deactivations in the future. In conclusion, while X accounts are generally permanently deleted after 30 days, acting fast and contacting support gives you the best chance of recovery. Being proactive and prepared with verification makes the process smoother. Subscribe for more social media tips and account recovery strategies.